Marquez here, local chiropractor, Back Pain Relief Center. We're at our Myrtle Beach office today. We're here with Jessica, and Jessica has come to see us for the first time today. She has a little bit of neck and upper back problems, occasional low back problems. She works out a bunch, and sometimes that makes it feel better, sometimes it aggravates it. So we're going to give her an overall adjustment and just to try to decompress all of her joints, loosen her muscles up, and try to get her to function and feel just a little better. Okay, so look, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some pressure on these tight muscles here. Okay, and what I want you to do, you're going to look all the way down to your chest and then come back up. And you're going to feel a little bit of pull under my fingers, kind of like a deep tissue massage type of thing.
Okay.
All right, so look down for me, big pull, and then come back up. That's one. Let's do that 5 times. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now you're going to turn your head to the right, and then we're going to go up and down for me 5 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we do the other side.
Okay.
And go down for me. 1.
Ooh.
A little tender, right?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. So what we're doing, these are trigger points here. This is from overuse syndrome or repetitive stress. So when these get really tight, your neck can begin to hurt a little bit. So if we break those up, all this will feel a little better. We're going to take this hand here and then come all the way up for me 5 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little click in there, but that's because I'm putting some pressure on you. You're going to touch your knee and then come straight up for me 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good.
Okay.
I want you to touch your belly, and then you're going to touch your back 5 times. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. We're going to do the other side, okay? Same things on the other side. So here, all the way up for me 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Arm straight, touch your knee, straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, touch your belly, touch your back. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little tender, huh?
Yes.
All right, we're going to do some more muscle work on your belly. So you're going to lay face down, face here, and your hands are kind of just hanging. Some of these will be a little uncomfortable. If it's too much, tell me, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to put a little pressure here. Okay? And I want you to look up and look this way for me. So turn your head and then go back down to the center. We're going to do that 5 times. That's 1. And again, 2, 3, 4, 5. You okay? These can hurt a little bit.
Yeah, it's definitely tight.
Okay, this one hurts a bunch. Okay, same side. We'll do the same side.
Okay.
1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we're going to move to the other side. Okay, you're going to look this way for me. 1, 2, 3, a little tender, a little harder on that side, isn't it?
Yeah.
4, a little bit of restriction. We'll get it. 5, good. One more time. This is the last of the bad stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right, so next, Jessica, I'm going to do a little work on your low back. I'm going to bend your leg. I'm going to put some pressure on these muscles here. All right, I'm just going to move your leg in and out. Let me know if you feel like you're going to cramp or your knee bothers you. Might be a little tender under my thumb.
Yeah.
Just going to try to loosen that up. Let me know if I'm too hard on you. What we're doing now, we're just loosening up all these paraspinal muscles in order to give us a better manipulation. If we don't loosen the muscles, the joints will stay tight and the manipulation won't hold as long. Okay, I'm going to move to the other side. You okay?
Yeah, that actually feels good.
The next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna use our adjusting instrument, and I'm going to we're gonna vibrate each one of the lumbar joints and thoracic joints in order to break up any adhesions that may have formed. Adhesions are internal scar tissue, and they form from repetitive stress-like stuff. So if you're working out all the time, which you probably are, we can start to bring up a little bit of adhesions in those joints that make it tight. Feels a little funny, but nothing hurts at all. We're going to loosen muscles a little more, just bring some blood flow to the surface. Alright, I'm just going to feel around a little bit there. You are pretty tight, aren't you? Just take a nice deep breath for me. Okay, we'll let it all out. There we go. Oh, that's all that was. You okay? A little tender.
Yeah, that was good.
I want you to lay on your side. Face me.
Okay.
I'm going to kind of put you where I need you. Gonna bend you there. We're going to cross your arms. And bend your top leg. Bottom arm straight. So we're going to do a lumbar manipulation. Just nice and light. I won't drop it. That's all it was. Good?
Yes.
Other side. We almost dropped it in.
That's all right.
Good. Why don't you come around? Good. Nice and light. That's all it was. Good. A little tender. On your back for me. Face up. Alright, so next we're going to do a neck adjustment. Half my patients love it, half hate it. The ones that hate it, it's not ever painful for them. It's just the sound that worries them. So we're going to adjust her neck now. That's nice and light. Good, nice and light. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
Come on up for me. I'm going to have you sit on the edge of the table there. So this one here, I'm going to cross your arms. Okay, chin down to your chest. I'm going to lay you back and pick you back up. Okay, we're going to do a mid-back adjustment. We're going to come through just nice and light. Good. Good. One more up here. Good. All right?
Yes.
You made it.
That was a lot of cracking.
Was a lot of cracking.
Yes.
All right, guys. That's a whole body adjustment, cervical, thoracic, and lumbar. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you message me. You can look at this on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. All right, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.